Hi everyone, Sarah here. Hope you're all doing well today. I have some finished diamond paintings to share with you. These are two from Newhomy that were sent to me for review. They're both square drill diamond paintings. I started with these ones first because you don't generally see a lot of square drills from these quick pick online web stores. But these ones were the larger 40 by 50s and they're beautiful. So let me just share with you. Here's the first one. This one is a beach scene with the beautiful palm trees, and there's a canoe down here and some reeds coming up. It is a little pixelated down here in the bottom, and I would say a lot of, like, the image is a lot of white in here, so it's hard to tell with the canoe, but let me just show you guys close up. That is the way the picture is, so it's going to relate that way when you put it into drills. But these square drills, excellent quality. The canvases are super sticky. The only little bit of gapping between the drills, and you see it more in the light colors, so obviously in this white background you're going to see more of the gapping and possibly see the lines from the image below. But it is really pretty. There's lots of sparkle to it. It's still a really great image, and I would say, like, square drill quality is really great with these ones. There was lots of extras. Just pull it out here. You can see each of the colors. We still have lots left. And then in the white background, look at all of that on that one. Lots of this blue. And there's a couple others here. And the white, we have a full package of white, plus a little bit left in the baggie. So lots of that, and that's a $38.65 for the white. Lots of extra drills, no issues with quality. And again, stickiness was great. Just for this one, it's a little bit of the image, but that is the way the picture is before they turn it into a diamond painting, so it's going to come out that way. But the focus is the palm trees, and they turned out beautifully. Really, really great. Let me see about trying to zoom out there so you guys can see the entire image. Really, really pretty. The next one, this one is my favorite. This is the Eiffel Tower. Let me turn it sideways so you guys can see the whole thing with the beautiful pastel clouds and just the abstract down to the bottom. I'll show you the image close up there so you can see. The focus is the Eiffel Tower, and it turned out beautifully. Again, there's a tiny bit of gapping, which you can obviously see in the lighter colors. Not so much in the darker colors. It doesn't show through. But this one turned out gorgeous. And for this one, the drills are in this container here that I received from Saner Direct. We have two canvases in here. This was a different one that I've shown, and this is the extra drills for the Eiffel Tower. There's one empty container over there, but that was a duplicate color. So let me just close it and flip it upside down for you guys. So you can see from here up, we have extras in all of the colors, lots of white left over, and definitely extras in all the other colors. So there was no issues or concerns with running out. I did thought that I had run out. So here's the deal. This color number 22 over here is over here. So when I was working on this canvas, and I actually posted it on my Instagram, I thought I ran out of this color because I forgot that my extras were all the way over here. I put it in a container and labeled it, but I did not put it in number order. So I thought that I had run out of that color, but actually I had this much left over. So no, I did not run out of any drills. I definitely had leftover for all of them, so there was no issues or concerns with that. It was perfect. And I think that this is a really pretty image for one of the cheaper websites to get an Eiffel Tower picture and square drill. Definitely. I'll have the unboxing for these two. They were both unboxed in the same order from Newhomy, and I will link both of them if they're still available on the website for you. Check it out. Definitely don't be afraid to give these square drills a try, especially if you want to try it first. Go to one of these less expensive sites to try them, just so you can get the feel of working with a square drill before you purchase more expensive ones. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.